Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Color Dot Dominoes. Start by gathering your Color Dot Dominoes, which often come in double 6 or double 9 sets. Make sure you have a nice flat surface to play on, as this makes placing your tiles much easier. Next, decide how many people will be joining the game. Color Dot Dominoes are typically enjoyed by 2 to 4 players, making it a perfect small group activity. To begin, shuffle all the dominoes face down on your playing surface, mixing them up thoroughly. Then, each player draws their hand. For a 2-player game, each person typically takes 9 tiles, while 3 or 4 players usually draw 7 tiles each. The player holding the highest double domino, like a double 9 or double 6, gets to start the very first round. When it's your turn, you'll need to match one of your dominoes to an open end of the domino chain on the table. The colors or numbers of the dots on your tile must perfectly correspond with the end you're connecting to. If you find yourself unable to make a match, you must draw a single domino from the remaining pile, often called the boneyard, and add it to your hand. A round concludes as soon as one player successfully plays their very last domino, a move known as dominoing. That player then scores points based on the total value of all the dots remaining in their opponent's hands. The game continues over several rounds, and the ultimate winner is the first person to accumulate a predetermined score, commonly set at 100 points.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.